David Groner joins us again with the Acadiana Elder Law Clinic and more estate planning tips for you. David, welcome back.
Well, good to be here.
We're talking about a Medicaid protection trust today, and what do you do if you have a home in the trust or maybe you have a rental property in the trust and then you sell it? What happens then with the money you get from selling?
Okay, and that's the beauty part about these types of trusts. Once you put the property in there, if like your home, if you want to sell it later, you want to move near the grandkids, quit cutting grass, just quit, all the upkeep and buy something smaller. Well, that's what your trustee will do for you. They'll sell your home, they'll take the money, keep it in the trust, and then buy your garden home or your little condo, whatever you feel like you want, and keep it in the trust. So you still get to live your life and you still get to enjoy all your assets. You're just doing it under the auspices of a trust instead of in your name. And by doing that, you accomplish keeping your estate protected from creditors, nursing home, Medicaid requirements, and it can all go to your children once you're no longer here. So, and plus probate, it avoids probate.
So from what I understand, and correct me if I'm wrong, but even though you put things in a trust, you still are pretty free to move things around?
Sure. I mean, that's you've named a trustee that you trust to manage your trust for you, and they will do pretty much, if that's what you want to do, you want to move to a different residence, it makes sense, sell it and downsize or move near the grandkids. But you can keep all that within the trust, and or if you sell it and you don't want to buy another property, then just keep the financial assets, invest it, buy a bank CD, put it in some kind of investment, talk to a financial planner, and keep it all in the trust and let it grow and leave your kids a nice estate when you're no longer here.
And of course, there's lots more to cover on this topic. And for anyone watching wanting to learn more from you, maybe they have some questions they would like to ask you. You do workshops pretty frequently. How can we keep up with where you'll be speaking?
Well, the best way is to call the office at the number that is shown, or look on Facebook, Acadiana Elder Law Clinic. That's the best way to find the workshops. But, I'll say the attendance at workshops in Lafayette has been phenomenal. We're getting great response, and everybody's really enjoying it because the audience is really getting into asking great questions, and we're flushing out a lot of good information for people. When they leave, everybody's really thankful. They've become educated and learned a whole lot about how to manage their estate.
Yeah. And that's what's great about your workshops. You do have your talk, but then the audience can ask questions afterwards as well. So if you would like to learn more or maybe attend one of these workshops, visit the Acadiana Elder Law Clinic Facebook page or call the number on your screen to see where David will be speaking next, or to go ahead and schedule your appointment with David, whether that's over the phone, Zoom, or an in-person conversation. Call the number on your screen if you would like to learn more.